Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a new collaboration with a company called Lifescrafts, and I will have their information in the description box along with a coupon code Happy22, and I believe that's going to get you 22% off of your order. So what I have are some dies, and they have a lot of stuff on their website. So the first one that I'm going to share with you is this one here. And this is a bow. And then you have these strips here that you can use if you want to make it look like a present on something. So I can't wait to play with that one. And then this one here it's like a little mini purse box. I think that's what that is a purse box. I'm going to have all of the links to these below as well. And then I have this one here, and this makes a little cute little box. And then I have this one here. Now this one is really big. Don't know if I have my ruler. Yeah, I do have my ruler. So this one here is from top to bottom. It is 7 inches. And it kind of goes down sideways. So it would probably be approximately, you would need like at least a 4-inch space. See, because I have it up here at the top. And then when you go down, this side ends approximately at 4. So that's a pretty big die there. And this bow here, let's just measure these. The bow itself is about 2 3/4, a little over 2 7/8, I would say. So that's cute. This box right here, when you put it together, it is going to be roughly a 1 7/8 by 1 7/8 square box. And it is going to be about 1 inch tall. And then this one here is going to be maybe 1 3/8 wide. And then it looks like it might be 1 1/2 tall. Somewhere around there. But I will let you know when I come back with some projects for these. And then we can really get the real size of them. Especially this little box purse there. So that is the items that I'm going to share. And like I said, I will have the links to these items in the description box. I will have the website link. And it is lifescraft.com. And the coupon code, Happy22. All right, I will be back with project shares. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.